All right, so we've got the lift kit finally for the Jeep. It's finally getting lifted after all these years. I went with old Man Emu, which is basically the suspension component of ARB out of Australia. It's the 2.5 heavy duty suspension lift since I've got the ARB bumpers and the Warren winch on there. I've also added some extra components to help beef it up. But it's basically just the coil springs and the shocks. Shocks are in that box. Got brake line, rear extensions along with the rear sway bar, end links to help out the rear. Then I've got the TeraFlex front and rear forged adjustable track bars to help center that axle back up. And I've got the old Man Emu steering stabilizer. I might be missing a piece or two. I'll just add that as I see what I need. But I think this about does it. It's only 2.5 inches, which might be that. It might be a little lower since I've got all that weight on the Jeep right now. But stay tuned in the weeks to come. It's going down.